This particular module is a question that was asked by one of your colleagues, and the question is, how do I take the barometric pressure at the station model 138 and turn it into 1013.8 millibars? Well, the first thing we'll do is I suggest that you create 6 placeholders, because we're going to place the digits in these placeholders. So we're going to take the shorthand notation 138 and turn it into 1013.8 millibars. Okay, I have 6 placeholders here. The first thing I'm going to do is place a decimal in the next to last placeholder. So this represents a decimal. And since this is barometric pressure, we know from the Chapter 1 video that the units, or the unit for barometric pressure, is in millibars. So I have to make sure I put my pressure there because we want, or my unit there, because this indicates pressure. Okay, I will now take my last digit here, the 8, and place in this last placeholder. I'll take the 3 and put it in front of the decimal, and then I'll place the 1 here. Now we know that pressure can range, atmospheric pressure can range anywhere from 950 to 1050 millibars. So I have to determine, does a 9 go here or a 10 in these 2 placeholders? So the question is, will the barometric pressure be 913.8 millibars or 1013.8 millibars? To determine that, take the 2 placeholders ahead of the decimal place. So there's the decimal, here are the 2 placeholders, and we'll look at this number. So this number here is 13. So if you have a number that is less than or equal to 60, we will place a 10 in the final 2 placeholders. If the 2 numbers ahead of the decimal point are greater than 60, then we place a 9 in the placeholder ahead of those 2 digits. Well, we know that 13, it's less than 60, so we're going to put a 10 here. So our barometric pressure at this particular station is 1013.8 millibars. Now let's just say, for argument's sake, that this was not 138. Let's say it was 997. And again, I apologize because I'm freehanding this with a mouse. But let's say the shorthand notation here was 997. How would we figure out the pressure? First thing, put in your 6 digit placeholders. Step number 2, put a decimal point in the next to last placeholder. Put your millibars over here to indicate pressure. We'll put the last number here, that's 7. Put the 9 in this particular placeholder. Take this 9 and place in this particular placeholder. I look at these 2 digits and I see the value is 99, which is greater than 60. So I place a 9 and my pressure would be 999.7 millibars. Again, keep in mind the pressure must range anywhere from 950 to 1050 millibars. Well, I hope you found this particular module helpful, and have a good day.